Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows requires a digitally signed driver problem in Windows 11, 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Open Administrative Templates under User Configuration, click and expand System. Click Driver Installation. Open Code Signing for driver installation, check Enabled, select Ignore, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.